Synco's rugged embedded system provides a complete product series to convert the word rugged into real product specifications to fulfill a variety of industrial application demands. Without moving parts and cabling, all of our products are fanless and cableless. They are designed to ensure the stability and reliability of the system. For operating under harsh environments, our systems are designed to survive in an extreme temperature range without performance compensation. High tolerance for shock and vibration is a must to overcome real operating environments, such as transportation and factory automation. The unique one-piece design makes their structure robust and with optimized heat dissipation. Thanks to our special thermal and chassis design, the heat can be effectively dissipated from internal to external. By selecting high industrial-grade components, the system increases stability while working. To be powered everywhere and safely, our system supports wide DC input range from 9 to 48 volts DC. Supported with industrial protections, it can bear power input faults and ensures long-term stable operation in risky conditions. Fitting with expansion slots, the system is capable of housing extra storage, additional I/O, or add-on cards to match your needs. Synco's unique CMI and CFM technologies allow you to flexibly expand additional functions according to specific requirements. Synco's offers a wide range of Intel-based embedded systems which have passed a variety of rigorous certifications to meet diverse industrial applications. Listening to the perspective of market demands, Synco's rugged embedded computers provide customers the best product solutions which are rugged, reliable, and application-driven. Synco's, expertise in embedded computing.